Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a beginner method of solving the Pyraminx. So the first thing we want to do is, these are called the tips, so we just want to move the tips so they match. So you just twist them like that, and like that, and like that, and like that, which is quite straightforward. And now you have 4 of the tips solved. So next, what you want to do is, these pieces here are called the center pieces. So we want to, I'm going to be basing it off yellow. We want to find out where all the yellow centers are. So there's one here, then there is one here, and then so there's one here, and one here. So what we want to do is we want to find one of these holes in the middle where they can all turn to. So just say we chose this hole, and then we try and turn all the yellow pieces to it. You'll find that you can't, because this piece here can't actually move up there. So I'll just move that back over there. So you just want to find a hole where they can all turn to. So that's this one, like that, and then this is all solved. So you have 3 centers solved, and then what you can do is, for the last one, you can just turn it around so it matches like that. Now what we want to do is we want to hold yellow, which is cover that we're solving off, on the bottom, and we want to have a look in the top layer for some pieces that also have yellow in it. So if you can't see any, so maybe your cube looks something like this, where there's no yellow at the top. What you want to do is you want to get one of these, because it has yellow here, and we want to take it out. So the alg for taking out is like this. Like that. And then to insert it, we use the same algorithm. So this piece, we put it like above the slot like this, and we go. Like that. And then this one, so above the slot like this, and then but in a case like this, where you it's not the same, because if we do it like this, like that, then it's flipped, and we don't want that. So what we want to do instead is we want to do everything so like this, but we do everything left-handed. So we move it, so we just do everything left-handed, so like that, and then your first layer should be done. So now, what we want to do is, we want to just look at the top and check if we have any pieces solved. So, by any pieces solved, I mean something like this. So, we have one piece solved, and then these two need to flip over. It's fine if you don't see something like this. What you want to do is you want to face it anyway, and you want to do this algorithm. So like that, and if you just keep doing it, you will eventually set up to this case where there's one piece solved and 2 that need to be flipped. So once you have this, what you want to do is you want to put the solved piece at the back and line it up with, so don't have it like this, just line it up and then face it like this, solved piece at the back. And then we want to do this last algorithm, so like that, and your cube should be solved. So with this kind of method, you can get pretty quickly. You can get pretty quick, sorry. So I was consistently sub 20 seconds with this method. Soon I'll be releasing a video on how to get faster at Pyraminx, even though I'm not that fast, but I can do a few things like this. So if you just practice doing this algorithm quicker with the correct finger tricks like that, your solves can become at least a few seconds quicker just from practicing that. Because if you do something like this, like that, it could slow you down potentially. But anyway, that's all for another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.